Okay, here's the red CRX. Pretty legendary. Right? Maybe that is out. Oh. So this is basically all original on the interior. A DX model. It was originally automatic, converted to manual. Has a Japanese B16A with a YS1 cable transmission. Suppose I should show us that. And this is the car I'll be donating, less this engine and drivetrain. In fact, I'd love to see this get rebuilt because this is my favorite engine of all time. So this is the B16A and the YS1 limited slip differential from the factory. So it also has a spoon throttle body and port matched intake to the head. So that's got it going on right now. I just put new spark plug wires, spark plugs, OEM Honda, NGK. It's got new oil, but it needs to be rebuilt. This radiator I don't think is good. There's no coolant in the car. I have not started it in close to 7 years. So it's got the hood strut, which is pretty cool. And that's it. Just a little bit of rust. I mean, all the red ones, this is Torino red pearl, all of them get rust on the door right there and rust right here, but it's pretty solid metal otherwise. This side is also good. Doesn't need much body work if it were to be a candidate for body work. But that's it. So this engine, possibly into the black CRX. That'd be nice. Okay, this is the black CRX. As you can see, the engine bay is totally done. Repainted, a Nighthawk black pearl, all new parts, brand new hoses, brand new clutch cable, brand new throttle cable, brand new brake booster, brand new master cylinder. I believe this is a special proportion valve for the brakes. And that's it. New fuel lines. The headlights are new. Everything. All cleaned. Just dusty. This cowl is not attached. That needs to be affixed. Then minor paint work. I mean, it's a pretty shoddy paint job. I mean, it's not, it's not offensive. I mean, maybe it could be wrapped, but the paint's not the best. It used to be a yellow car, Y49 Barbados yellow, but was painted black. There you could see some yellow behind the window here. So I'd like to make the car Porsche Bahama Yellow, which is a very nice kind of orangey yellow, almost similar to the needle on the gauge cluster, but I think that's a nice tribute to the original yellow. So the interior you see is pretty mint, all black, and the S2000 start button is installed, works. The tachometer installed. Back here is where the battery is now converted to. So a nice little battery goes in that tray, and then a fuse, and that's all good. Behind here are the front brake calipers. The brake calipers are all brand new despite the surface rust. New suspension, not sure if you can see back there. Progress coilover. And then in the front, the calipers are not installed. Got the skunk tube control arms, brand new. All stuff, stainless lines, progress, new wires, new hoses. You know, it's pretty much ready for, well, it is ready for a B series. So that'd be nice. Actually, here's the brake caliper, stainless line. But, you know, whatever you think might be best for this car, we got to figure it out. But I think the B series, possibly even turboed, but a B series that can go to about 9,000 RPMs with somewhere around 300 horsepower would be absolutely incredible. So that's where I'd love to see it. Potentially wide body, but I don't mind the original look of the CRX. I have all brand new parts for all the clips and stuff. OEM Honda, new in the box.